My name's Josh Hyde. I work in the research and development as a apprentice design engineer. So I started at the start of the pandemic in March 2020 as a temporary production operative. I was only meant to be here for, I think it was 10 weeks. We just launched the Solo, so learning how that all went together. Then a job came up that I was nowhere near qualified for, but I quite fancied having a go. So I threw my name in the hat, put my application in, and got a phone call about a day later offering me an apprenticeship in the role. They saw something that meant that they took an opportunity to create a role for myself, to learn how to become a qualified engineer as well as earning a salary at the same time. In the space of about a year, going to an actual career in engineering, which is something I never thought I'd get into, but I've been growing up around engineers with my dad doing that, and being given the opportunity to do it myself was very exciting. Having been given opportunities to move up and through the business, worked everywhere from manufacturing, building our flagship Medstrom solo bed, then moving to the service side of things, I've learned how to build them, so I learned how to fix them, and then move to the research and development side of things to help improve all our products that we're currently manufacturing. Yeah, so I do 1 day a week. I go to a local college, learn all aspects of engineering, from actually using tools to doing CAD, so using SolidWorks. Each week's different, which is quite nice. Gives an extra challenge as well to keep me in check at times. And yeah, it's good, really good. Yes, Medstrom have always been brilliant, really. I've been given opportunities that I never thought I'd have. Paid for going on to courses that have been sort of week-long courses, where that's been spend time at the SolidWorks headquarters, learning there, going on training courses, first aid, fire marshal, Lola, all those kind of things to help broaden my horizons. So everyone's friendly. That's the biggest thing I've learned, is I can walk into any building, any aspect of the company, people are always there to help, and that's the biggest thing, is just being able to speak to everyone. Everyone's very approachable and really nice. Take every opportunity you get would be the biggest thing, and learning whilst working, earning a salary so I could buy my first house, as well as getting the same qualifications I would have done, is a fantastic opportunity, and I'd recommend it to anyone that's out there looking for inspiration, really.